All right, we're here today at the lake. It's pretty overcast. If it'll focus, I mean, you can see that the trees are starting to get pretty orange here in PA. We're looking at the first week of October here, so we're hoping to get some fall action here out on the old kayak. So yeah, let's get in the water and get after it. Oh, I just got some. It's a nice pickerel. Nice pickerel on the swim bait. Look at that. Let's go. Because I don't know how I'm gonna get the hooks out. Just got a bite, just got a bite, just got a bite. Just got a bite on the chub. It's another pickerel, another little pickerel. Jeez, these little guys are floppy today. I was sitting here trying to tie on a new spinner, and I just see my bobber go under. Just like that. Coming in hot. Here's another bite. What the heck is this? It's a big perch. Nice. It's a dang big perch. Just got a pretty nice perch on a little chub about that big. It's a pretty nice perch. This is a good eating size for any of those who like to eat fish. It's a good healthy fish right there, no doubt about it. Let's put him back. Down he goes. There we go, I got him. Oh, holy crap, that's a big perch. That's a big freaking perch right there. Jeez. Dang, these perch are just screwing with their bait today. This is a big dog. It's number 2 right there. 2 really nice perch. They have really nice fall colors. And yeah, good eating size right there. Get them back. Get our bait back on the hook and see if we can find something else to bite here. Maybe another perch. We'll see. Be pretty sweet. But we're not very far off the bank today. Probably only 30 yards off the bank. And since it's fall time, fish are chasing all the bait fish into the bank to eat up for winter. But yeah, nice perch. Let's see if we can get another one. We got him. It's a little bit smaller of a perch. That's a little bit smaller than what we've been catching. Just a little guy there. Not very big. So let's put him back. Come back in a year or two to catch that guy. So I just had my pole sitting in my holder like this with my line in the water, and this little pickerel came up and hit it, so I had to flip him over to Carter. I think Carter's gonna get my hook out and put him back, but I was putting a new battery in the GoPro, and Carter just got a bite. Carter's got one. Carter's got one. Reel. Oh, you lost him. Turn that drag up a little bit. Oh, dang, man. They're starting to turn on now. This big cluster. As soon as Carter gets my hook back, we're gonna get things in gear here. I don't know what it is. It's probably a perch. It's giving me a couple head shakes. I don't know. It's fighting back a little. Nope, it's a pickerel. Hey, buddy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Carter, Carter, Carter. There it goes. There it goes, Carter. There it goes.
I was going.
Yeah.
I'm trying to be cameraman.
Don't worry about me. I got it. He's chilling. Dog's chilling. Carter's getting a bite.
Big.
It's pretty mid size, I think. I'm more worried. There it goes. There it goes, Carter. Set the hook.
Got him.
Yep.
Oh, we got him.
Oh, what is it? It's a big pickerel. It's a big pickerel. Flip it. Hurry up. Nice.
Yeah, let's go, bud. Doubled up. Calm the fuck down.
There you go. That's easy. What is it? A little pickerel. Just got hooked up. Big dog. Oh, little pickerel. No, is that a pickerel or a pike? It looks like a pike. It looks light. No, it's a pickerel. It has a teardrop. See, it has that teardrop below its eye, a black teardrop. That does not mean it committed a crime. That means it is a pickerel. So it basically did commit a crime just by being a pickerel. This is number 8 for the day, I think, if I'm remembering correctly. Come on. Easy release. There. Oh, yeah. Swing them around, you're gonna get tangled. You're gonna get tangled. Too late. What is it?
I don't fucking know.
It's a big pickerel.
Is it?
Yep. Oh, what
even more tangled.
what a cluster.
I'm flopping him in yours. I can. You ready?
Go for it. Don't rub them on my bag. Don't rub them on my bag.